If you're watching this video, then you've probably already decided that being a locksmith is the career for you. Hopefully you would have already completed our beginner's locksmith training course. Being a locksmith, if done correctly, can be a very lucrative and rewarding career. Now, the trainer in this course has been training as a professional locksmith for over 10 years and has opened, replaced and fitted thousands of locks during this time. As with all our courses, this course is broken down into easy, understandable sections. Each section has a professionally filmed video. In these videos we can demonstrate the different methods of entry for the different types of locks. And you'll learn how to pick, drill, bump, snap and bypass the majority of different types of locks available today. We'll also show you the hierarchy of entry methods. Some methods are quicker and a lot more successful on different types of locks, so you would normally start with these first. During these demonstrations, you'll learn how to open just about every common type of lock you'll find on most domestic and commercial properties. These include cylinder locks. There are various types of cylinders, and you will learn how to open rim cylinders. These are also known as Yale type locks. We'll teach you how to open a Euro cylinder. These are now fitted to most UPVC and garage doors. We'll also teach you how to open an oval cylinder. These are similar to Euro cylinders but are a different shape. You'll learn the quickest way to open a bullet lock. You will also learn how to open lever locks. These include 3 lever locks, which are fitted to internal wooden doors. You'll also learn how to open British standard 5 lever locks, which are fitted to external wooden doors. In addition to cylinder and lever locks, you'll learn how to open wafer locks. These include cam locks, which are fitted on post box locks, filing cabinet locks and some garage door locks. Plus, we'll also let you know which tools you'll need to carry out all of these tasks. As the name suggests, this is an online locksmith course, so you'll be able to learn at your own pace. You won't need to book a week off work to attend, and you won't walk away from the course and think, I can't remember how I did that. The course is online, which means that you'll have unlimited access to the training material. The training courses are broken down into sections. Each section has a professionally filmed video showing how to carry out each task. You can watch the video, try out your skills, and then watch the video again if you need more help. At the end of the section, you'll complete an online assessment that will put your knowledge to the test. You can also print off a certificate to prove your knowledge. This may help you obtain work as a locksmith. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video today. If you'd like to view our other locksmith training videos, please visit our YouTube channel or visit our website, which is traintobealocksmithonline.com. Thank you.